Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Dr. Kamal Kadir. I am a PhD in clinical psychology. A lot of you know me because of my teaching career, and the rest know me as a professional because I do my own therapy clinics. Today the purpose of making this video, actually what got me thinking were a lot of posts that I've been seeing on Facebook in various groups by women and men and all ages, and they're related to the anxiety that people have related to the pandemic that is going on nowadays, known as Corona or COVID-19. I see posts of people saying that I'm unable to sleep at night. The fear is too much. What if I get it? What if my kids get it? What if I die? I know, I completely understand. Honestly, today my advice would come not only as a professional PhD or a doctor in clinical psychology, but it also comes from personal experience. I have suffered through COVID-19 myself. I was diagnosed 2 days before Eid and went on this entire journey for more than 14 days before being tested as negative. So I know what it feels like, and that is the purpose of making this video, to tell you that number one, please remember, it is a pandemic, and yes, it can strike anyone at any time. Although there are ways through which you can prevent yourself, and those ways have been clearly stated by the WHO, by your government. And I just feel in the given circumstances, everybody is doing whatever we can. Secondly, you need to understand that our routines have changed. We are constantly at home, something that we would not be doing previously. We were out of the house, you were distracted. Now, constantly you are home, and constantly that television is on. That keeps on reporting cases about people who have died due to the disease. Sadly, yes, the media also does not talk about the people who have recovered from the disease and are doing absolutely fine, have gone back to their normal level of functioning. And the more focus remains on people who are probably suffering more or have more severe symptoms. So you just need to keep all of that into consideration and understand that whatever you are feeling right now is justified. This is not how we were made. This is not how we were built. This is not what our routine used to be. Of course, life has changed, and for your psychological well-being to adapt to that change takes time. It's not a one-day process. It is an entire process. But I just want to tell you, I'm sitting right here. I have gone through it, and I'm, Allah ka shukar, alhamdulillah, absolutely fine. Firstly, of course, what you need to do is protect yourself and not get it in the first place. But even if you do, please remember, there is nothing better than positivity to get you out of this illness. There is nothing better. There will be times you will feel that I won't be able to do it, and I know all the while this thought came to my mind, it did not make me better, it made me much worse. All the while I thought, okay, 1 day gone, 2 day gone, 3 day gone, okay, only 7 left, only 6 left, because it's a 14-day cycle. So the more you tell yourself that you can hang in there and it's going to be okay, you will get over it, people are recovering, focus more on that, turn off the TV, focus on your life. I did so much coloring and painting, maybe you can do the same. Try and do a little work that you can instead of just lying down and not doing anything. I know because of the pandemic, I did not have anybody to work in the house, and I did all my work even though I was severely sick. But I made sure I washed my clothes and made sure I washed the utensils and maybe even clean my room, and maybe for each just get ready and take a picture even though I had to go nowhere. It's just the resilience. And please know, as Pakistanis, we have tremendous resilience. That has always been our psychological strength. We've seen such bad circumstances in our country that we are very resilient. We know we can cope up with this. That's why you see all these people roaming around knowing that there's corona. We say that they don't have education. They also have resilience. They know it's out there, but they also know that they're willing to face life and willing to do their daily routine even though the fear is there. So I just want to tell you guys, it is all going to be okay. Whether you get corona or whether you don't get corona, this shall also pass. It's not going to last forever. So please stick to that. Continue smiling, continue being happy. Even if you can't meet people, have video chats, talk to people, make a list of all your long lost friends and maybe get in touch with them and ask them how they're doing. Maybe they'll be good, it will be nice to hear from you for them, and they will be happier. So just do that. Just do things that you probably never did, thinking that there is no time, because right now there is time and you might not have it again, because once everything goes back to normal, we will all resume our normal lives, and this time will never come back. So enjoy it while it lasts. Keep the positivity up, keep smiling, stay happy, keep people around you happy, and that's how you fight this pandemic.